Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris Marsick here with a quick home tip for you. So if you have a front end washing machine like we do, it probably has one of these pull-out drawers where you put your fabric softener, your bleach, your laundry detergent. What you may have not known is you actually can pull out this drawer. And what happens over time, soap dries in there, it gets all mildewy and just really nasty. You're going to want to clean that out really good. As well as down in there as well, spray it with some bleach, clean it out with a good brush. Then maybe run some bleach with 1 or 2 towels in there just to make sure you get it all cleaned out real good. Once we went ahead and did this to our washing machine, our clothes came out smelling so much more fresh. So that's my quick tip for you. I hope you enjoyed it.